Assalamualaikum, my friends. Welcome back with my channel. Friends, today we got so many fruits. Yeah, we like it. Yes. Friends, do you like fruit? I love fruits. So many fruits. Well, what is this? What's fruits? Yummy. I love tasty. Fans, this is a guava. All the fruits is so yummy. All the fruit is yummy. Cherries, I love cherries. Let's tell more. All we see, it's and a render me. You are Darby rats, and see. No, I only pieces. Nice time, just there and me.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Color green, green, and purple color. I love all the fruits. It's so yummy. It's yummy to eat. We eat all those fruits. Let's tell the colors more. Green. It's the guava. What color is this? I don't figure out which one color is it.
It's a mango red color. It's the red color. It's all the high roots with.
It's an orange, that
Yellow color.
yellow color apple. This one is red color. We need a green apple. Yellow lime. Our red cherry is yummy and we eat it the cherry. Friends, please subscribe for my channel and videos. This is yellow banana. I love banana. If you eat the banana, it feels like bananas.
Monkey.
Strawberries, people. All my friends love the strawberry. Please first subscribe for my channels and video, and don't forget to group the colors.